wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. But you don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you. Oh, quiet.
Alright, nandito kami ngayon. Bahia Resort sa San Diego. Ayan, dito kami ngayon Saan tayo ngayon pupunta? Magbabike daw kami. Lilibutin namin ang resort na to bago kami mag-explore San Diego. Ayan, oh, ang view. Ano? Nandun ang SeaWorld doon, park na yun, SeaWorld.
May fireworks.
Doon may fireworks. Lilibutin namin ang Bahia Resort. Marami pala ditong mga animals. Ito mayroong tinatawag na seal. Ito yung pangalan ng seal. It's Gracie and Billy.
Blind pala.
Gracie and Billy.
Billy is blind.
They've been rescued. Stranded seals got a second chance. Okay, let's go. Yan. Anong tawag dyan, Mama? Cabana, ayan. Yes, ito.
Can I touch it?
Ayun,
Yeah.
ito na yun.
Mine. I hate it when it does.
Mayroon pa pala doon, oh. Doon pa yun. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yan. Situation. Yeah. Sasakay tayo dyan, pa-reserve tayo. The Bahia Bell. Yan. Ang Bahia Resort, ang laki-laki nito. Haba. Doon, oh. Hi. Yan ang gusto ko na rin mga ganyan, oh. Walang mahal dyan, ano? Sobrang mahal. Yan ang fireworks dito, hindi mo makita, eh. Yung ganti, grabe yung puno na to, oh. Parang pinilipit, oh. Parang ganon. Grabe, oh. Grabe yung puno na to, oh. Ano? Malamig pala sa San Diego. Parang mas malamig pa nga kaysa Bay Area. Mas malamig pa. May playground pa dito.
One more.
Ayun, ganda rin na. Ang ingay na uwak.
Mahulog ka. Cold. Wala na yung pato, sayang.
Ako agad sumahulog.
I just don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Jacuzzi tayo dyan. May ano? Ah, ang ganda dyan, oh. Oh, it's heated. Good. It's not cold. Hindi tayo mag-swim. Mag-ano lang tayo. Mag-ano lang. Oh, yun ang pambata. Dito muna kami sa Bahia Gift Shop.
Careful.
Ay, mabibili pala tayo ng t-shirt. Ito, kailangan natin ito. Para siya. Maganda ito, oh. San Diego. Hi, good. Ay, huwag mong takpan. Kakain na tayo?
Let's go get jacket or no, you don't need jacket.
Di, nakakulong naman doon. Di naman, no?
Okay, maybe we don't.
Okay, let's go to the restaurant. I think this side. Yan, ganda pala dito, oh. Kapag may kasal dyan, eh. San Diego.
Next time. There's also Belmont Park, which is
That one's Belmont de Balboa Park, which is the one with all the museums and stuff. And there's also just a lot of like places to take pictures because there's like a lot of like beautiful like gardeny like scenery.
That's Balboa.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the one right here with the rides is Belmont.
Okay.
And here's your menu.
Thank you.
Here's your menu, little lady.
Thank
Your server will be on the way any minute, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you. Burger with... Yeah, just burger.
Yeah, just go.
Thank you. Diyos. Thank you. Yan ang pagkain namin, no?
Kare-kare, okay?
Tacos. And then, ano itong isang tacos?
Fish tacos and carne asada tacos.
That's fish tacos and carne asada tacos. Kain na muna tayo. Ha? Ito, carne asada tacos, fish tacos. Naubos na namin na naman pagkain yan, oh. Si Bethany, ang dami pang natira. Ayan, oh. Si Mama inubos. Ay, sarap na sarap sila. Tapos na ang pagkain.
Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. But you don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what